Hi, I'm Anthea and I'm a vocal coach, singing teacher and songwriting coach. Do you sometimes find you write a song that you don't feel confident performing live? Maybe there's a tricky part of your range where your voice feels weak, unreliable or strained. Or perhaps you just feel like you're not quite tapping into your voice's true capabilities. That's where I come in. Through my collaborative, playful, somewhat holistic approach, I can help you develop your voice in the context of your own original songs and style, tailoring what we do to meet your specific goals. Your songwriting deserves to be performed in a way that shows off its emotional impact and really moves and connects with the audience. And if you want feedback on your songwriting, tuition to get you started, or fresh inspiration to shake things up a bit, I'll work on songwriting with you in tandem with your vocal development to make sure you're writing original material that you're proud to perform and record. I'll bring what I've learnt from years of gigging, songwriting, recording and coaching, as well as extensive study and training in voice pedagogy and voice science, to help you iron out those niggly issues and perform with confidence. It's all about you maximising the potential of your authentic voice, both literally through developing your singing voice and metaphorically through your songwriting. I believe that those two aspects of voice are inseparable for singing songwriters like us. If you'd like to explore how we might work together, drop me a message and we'll book a time for a chat.